Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and suddenly your brain just goes blank? Your heart beats faster, your hands feel sweaty, and you think, what if I make a mistake? You know the words, you've studied for years, but when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. Today, let's talk about why that happens and how to finally feel confident speaking English in public. Hi everyone, it's Lily here, and if you've ever felt nervous speaking English in front of people, trust me, you're not alone. It happens to almost every English learner, even the really good ones. The good news is you can fix it, bit by bit, step by step. And today I'm going to help you do exactly that. First, let's talk about why you feel nervous. It's not because you're bad at English. It's because your brain gets scared of being judged. When you speak your own language, you feel safe. You can express yourself easily. But when you speak English, you start worrying. What if I say something wrong? What if they laugh? What if they don't understand me? It's like your brain suddenly switches into panic mode. But here's the truth. Most people don't care about your mistakes. They care about what you're trying to say. People are much kinder and more patient than we imagine. Let's try something simple. Imagine you walk into a cafe in New York. The barista smiles and says, "Hey there, what can I get for you?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know you want a coffee, but you start overthinking. Should you say, "I want coffee"? Or, "Can I have a coffee?" You panic and whisper, "One coffee please." It's completely fine, but let's fix it together. A native speaker would say naturally, "Hi, can I get a coffee please?" Or, "Hi, I'll have a latte, thanks." Simple, friendly, no stress. Here's a little trick next time. Before you speak, breathe and smile. It changes everything. Smiling relaxes your voice and helps your brain think clearly. Now, let's move to another situation. Introductions. Maybe you're in class, at a meeting or a party. Someone says, "Tell us about yourself." You freeze. You want to sound smart, but your words get mixed up. So you say, "My name Imran. I am from Pakistan. I like play cricket." You see, just a few tiny mistakes make you feel less confident, but they're easy to fix. Let's say it the natural way. My name's Imran. I'm from Pakistan and I love playing cricket. Now it flows smoothly. The grammar is correct, but it still sounds real, not like a textbook. Here's the key. Don't try to sound perfect, try to sound natural. When you speak, don't think in your native language first. Think directly in English. Start small. For example, every morning, look in the mirror and talk to yourself. "Good morning. Today I'll make a cup of coffee and start my work. I feel a bit sleepy, but it's okay." You're not just practicing words. You're training your confidence muscle. The more you talk, even alone, the easier it becomes to speak in public. Now let's talk about something many students struggle with: pronunciation, fear. Sometimes you know the word, but feel shy to say it because you're not sure if it sounds right. Like the word comfortable. Many learners say com for te, blah, but native speakers say it faster. Comf, te, bull. Don't worry about being perfect. You can even say it slowly at first. The goal is to communicate, not impress. If you're in a store and want to ask for something, try this. "Hi, excuse me, where can I find the bread?" Or, "Could you tell me where the milk is?" Simple, polite, natural English. Remember, being polite helps your confidence. You feel more in control of the situation. Sometimes we also feel nervous because we compare ourselves to others. Maybe you hear someone speak fluent English and you think, I'll never be like them. But what you don't see is that they also made hundreds of mistakes before sounding confident. Fluency isn't magic, it's practice. Let's imagine another moment at school or university. The teacher asks a question and you know the answer, but you stay quiet because you're scared your pronunciation will sound strange. Then someone else says the same thing. And you think, I could have said that. And next time that happens, say it. Even if it's not perfect, you'll feel proud just for trying. And each time you do it, your fear gets smaller. Let's go through some everyday small talk examples you can practice out loud. At work. Hey, how's your day going? Pretty good, thanks. I've got a lot to do, but I'll survive. At home. What should we have for dinner? I was thinking pasta tonight. At school. Did you finish the homework? Almost. I stayed up too late watching Netflix. When you travel, excuse me, is this seat taken? No. Go ahead. When you shop. Hi, do you have this in medium size? Sure, let me check for you. And my favorite one, when you want to sound friendly in public. I love your jacket. Where did you get it? Little moments like these build your real life confidence. Every time you speak, your brain collects small wins. And those small wins make your fear shrink. If you make a mistake, just smile and correct it. Imagine this. You say, I go to shopping yesterday. You realize it's wrong and fix it. Sorry, I went shopping yesterday. That's not a failure. That's progress. The people around you will respect that. They'll think, wow, they're improving fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to communicate clearly and kindly. Now let's talk about emotions. Sometimes we feel nervous not because of grammar or vocabulary, but because we're afraid of how we look or sound. Maybe you think your accent is too strong, but accents are beautiful. They show your story, your background, your effort. Even native speakers have accents. New York, Texas, Boston, California, they all sound different. So your accent doesn't make you wrong. It makes you unique. Try saying this to yourself. "Oh, my accent is a sign that I'm brave enough to speak another language." That's true confidence. Mini exercise. Stand in front of a mirror and practice a short public sentence. Hi everyone, my name's Your Name, and today I'm excited to be here. The smile when you say it. Notice how your face relaxes. Then imagine someone asking, how long have you been learning English? Answer naturally. I've been learning for about 3 years and I'm still improving every day. That's perfect English. Friendly, confident, simple. The next time you speak in front of people, don't think, I hope I don't make a mistake. Instead think, I'm going to share my message. Because when you focus on the message, not on yourself, your nervousness disappears.